Hey guys, if you're into AI video production, you've probably heard of MagicLight and its famous model Sora. We've worked with the previous version before, and now the brand new Sora 2 is out, and honestly, it's blurring the line between AI video and real movies. If you're creating content and working with AI-generated videos, or you're a digital artist, Sora 2 will help you take your work to the next level in no time. If you've worked with WAN 2.5, Kling, VO3, or similar video generators, you absolutely need to try Sora. In this video, we also have a little giveaway for people who comment below, so stay with us till the end to get all the details. Let's get into the video without further delay. Quick heads up before we start. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. Key features of Sora 2. Remember the previous version of Sora? It was great, but sometimes the characters felt a little too robotic, or the lighting would suddenly change. Well, Sora 2 is here to say, no more of that. Movements are smoother, faces are more realistic, and most importantly, the entire video feels like one cohesive cinematic scene, not a bunch of stitched together clips. More natural movements and emotions. Now when a character smiles or walks, you feel like you're looking at a real person living in the scene, not some NPC from old video games. Now even facial muscle details are rendered more naturally. Scene and lighting consistency. Say goodbye to the classic flickering light problem. From start to finish, the lighting and environment stay consistent and natural. It's like watching a real film, not an AI-generated output. It's improved to the point that you can even create animations with it. It also handles voiceovers and sound design. It's single-handedly like a whole studio. Even the animation style stays consistent throughout the video. No sudden shifts halfway through like you're watching a different show. Better storytelling. Sora 2 doesn't just create images, it creates a story flow. For example, if you write, a girl looks out the window at the rain and then smiles, the output will feel like a romantic movie scene, not just 2 images put together. Even if your prompt isn't super specific, it will create a realistic, human-like conversation that might even sound better than you could write. Now, let's get to the real deal. When you enter MagicLight, you'll be greeted with a page like this. I've put the link to the website down in the description. Here it shows you all kinds of stories you can create, like kids' stories, comedies, religious, sci-fi, historical, pretty much anything you can imagine. Click on Create Your First Story for free. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see tons of sample story videos in different genres. Now let's make our own story. Click on Story to Video. Here you've got 2 ways to write your script, a simple script and an intelligent script. In the simple one, you have to write the full story yourself so the website knows exactly what to generate. But in the intelligent script, things get a lot more interesting. You just write a rough idea of your story and the AI expands it for you, adding depth and creativity on its own. For example, I wrote, an old man running away from a haunted house, escaping through a dark forest until he reaches a small village and enters one of the villagers' homes. Set the aspect ratio to landscape, then choose your language. I'll pick English. In the AI model section, choose MagicLight 2.0. Next, select your animation style. I'm going with Disney. Set the video duration to auto and click Next. Now, here's where it gets exciting. In this step, you can pick one of the expanded versions of your story, or even combine 2 of them. I'll pick the second one. Then select a character. You can either choose one that's already generated or create your own. I'll pick this one. Next up is the storyboard section. Here you can view all the story scenes, delete, edit, or add new ones. You can even regenerate them, but I won't touch anything. Let's just click Animate All. From this section, choose your AI animation model. I'm going with Kling 2.1 Master, the best one available. After a few seconds, the platform generates a complete story for you, and the result is amazing. A fully realistic video with smooth, lively animation, just like a Disney movie. We basically created something that would normally take a full production team months. In just a few minutes. To sum it up in one sentence, if you've seen VO3 from Google or worked with Kling and WAN 2.5, but Sora 2 currently has the crown. Its outputs are so high quality that they can be used for music videos or professional advertisements. With just a sentence or an image, you can make a real short film. It's perfect for creating music videos, short stories, brand advertisements, even cinematic content for YouTube natural lighting, smooth frames, and realistic human movements. Basically a real leap in AI video production. So if you're looking for an AI model that truly makes films, not just videos, Sora 2 is exactly what you need to try. Definitely test it. You have 3 free tries to see what it can create for you. So if you're looking for the most realistic AI video creation model, Sora 2 is exactly what you've been waiting for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest and most useful AI tools. And as always, till next time with a new video and a new AI tool, goodbye.